3 cute animals with terrifying voices. The last one screams like a horror movie. Number 1. Elk. Look at its face like a chill, oversized deer, but its voice like a giant whistle mixed with a banshee's scream, long, piercing, and enough to make your hair stand on end. Number 2. Lyrebird. This bird can mimic any sound, from camera shutters, car alarms, to chainsaws. Before we continue, if you like absurd but real content like this, make sure to like and subscribe now. Number 3. Hyrax. Looks like a chubby, adorable marmot, but once it opens its mouth, its scream is loud, high-pitched, and chaotic like a possessed child at a metal concert.